Hi, I'm David, and this is my wife, Donna, and we hired Done Right Remodeling to remodel our kitchen and bathrooms here in our condo in downtown San Jose. One of the most important issues for us was that the contractor was able to do the job here in a condo with regulations, homeowners association requirements, and one that could deal with all the permitting and the technicalities involved in that, and also do a good job handling maintenance or construction within a building without access to outdoors and so on. That was an important issue for us. The whole process went really good. We were particularly impressed with how the crew could keep the project going in spite of the obstacles involved in dealing in a condo community, and we were really happy that it could actually get done in a timely basis. The project manager was Jonathan, and Jonathan communicated with us early in the process and continued to communicate on a daily basis through the whole process. He was able to keep the crew going, get the job done, and we were very happy with that.
I was very happy with the process overall. You know, there were bumps on the road. There were. It's like you're not going to get through a project like this without having some conflicts and areas that we had to work through. But I'll tell you, one thing that impressed me the most was they would address those issues and they would keep going at it until they got it right. And sometimes even with the inspections, that was hard. But they kept going until they got it right. And they kept moving. You know, other projects we've been through, a lot of times contractors come and tear everything out and leave, or just work slowly at it. They kept everything really moving, and that was really one of the things that impressed me so much about them.
I would highly recommend Done Right Remodeling. In fact, I already have recommended Done Right Remodeling